between the hamstrings and the glutes. This time we're going to lift up 2 dumbbells. Your feet are going to be under your hips, and you're going to push your butt backwards, keeping the handles of the dumbbells right up against your legs. So if I turn to the side, you'll see that my knees bend just a little bit. I want to go down until I feel a stretch in my hamstrings, and then push your hips forward. Shoulders stay back,